Okay, it's Grumpy Kiwi back again here. Grumpy Kiwi! This one's called Speed Up the Red Light, you dickheads. Welcome to the video. We show dash cam videos from New Zealand and we try and highlight some not so great driving. Now, here we go. This guy here. It was green. Green now. What's he doing in the middle of the section? Red means stop! Rubbish man! Just trying to get home. Okay, light's green. Why are all those cars there? Oh, come on, you make everyone slow down. Oh, yes. Okay, Auckland City, shithole, fucking hell. Putting out the tax on petrol. What's the story? Cock of the week, that guy. Can't even run a red light. We can run a red light, that's the problem. Classic car of the month here, 1954 Chevrolet Belair. Oh, it's a great car. Could do with another paint job, but anyway, it's all good. Red light runner here now. God's sake, that was blatantly red light. Oh, I don't know. Okay, up to work in the morning. Red light again. Red light again. Oh, come on, little black car. What the fuck? Oh, another one. Jesus, don't they see these lights? Anyway, fun cargo. Usually law-abiding cars. You just see what happens. Okay, it's orange. Red. Ah, the fun cargo flies through again. For fuck's sake. Pedestrians everywhere. You're lucky you didn't come 3 seconds later, you got run over. Oh, couldn't this guy wait just for a few seconds? Hey, and like the video on Facebook. We got a video from Myrtle and Kumeu who sent us a video about her driving. Here it is.
See these cunts? Fucking cunts! Fucking cunts!
Oh, Myrtle! Bad language here, Myrtle. Anyway, okay, truck's going out. This guy just pulled out in front of me. Now watch this guy. He's all over the effing road. I'm just so happy nobody was coming the other way this day. He was up to a metre. Sometimes he was completely on the wrong side of the road. I don't know. I don't know what he was doing. I hope he's learned how to drive a bit better than this. Come on, guys! Stay left on country roads. Come on, the life you save might be your own. Oh, that guy was lucky. Anyway, this guy, man, I don't know what he was on, but anyway, it's hilarious. Watch this. Watch this! Oh, come on, that is a blind corner. It's just lucky no one was coming over the hill. Just lucky. There we go. You can see, look to the left. Look to his left tire. Look how far over he is. I don't know, man. I don't know. But thanks for watching anyway. I do get angry, but I'm trying to save lives here, for fuck's sake. Anyway, just thanks this week for everyone that subscribed last week. That's awesome! You guys are amazing. And that's the bouncy grumpy head. So, oh, come on, one more for the road, for fuck's sake. Jesus. Just look left, look right, then let Grumpy go. Thanks for watching.